Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guess what this time? This time it's an unboxing video of my WD My Passport 1 TB hard disk. Yes, actually I recently bought a new MacBook Air. For that reason I needed to take a new hard disk. So I thought WD would be better for it, because I have seen many videos saying that WD is great rather than all other companies in the market. It has a WD security and WD auto backup is there, so it will be clean enough for your computer to take a backup and store it in one place. I bought this on Amazon. I got it around 3,830 rupees, and this is a red in color. It's a Western Digital My Passport external hard disk, and it says that compatibility, yeah, this is very important. For Windows 10 8.1 and 7 there's no reformatting required, but for Mac OS it says reformatting required for Mac OS. So this means that this is in NTTF format at the beginning. For using it in Mac we have to reformat it so that we can use it in Mac as well as in Windows. So guys, let's get inside. Let's check what's there inside. Here we go. There's nothing inside the box, so we'll just keep this aside. And here, this is WD My Passport hard disk case. Okay, this is only just a plastic case outside, just to keep it safe. When we open it, we have a user manual, and you have like user manual for Windows as well as Mac. So if you have any doubts using this, you can actually go through this for once. Let's keep this aside, and here we go. This is WD My Passport. Boom. I mean, like, for sure this is in real passport size. You can't even imagine how small it is and how compatible it is. This is actually a 1 TB WD My Passport. I think 2 TB comes a little bigger, a little thicker, but this is amazing. I mean, like, this is so good. This is actually just like a passport size. Here you have a USB power, LED flasher. This whole thing is made up of plastic case. It has no round edge corners. It has a sharp one. Pretty nice. You'll get different colors: red, orange, blue, black, white. I choose red. It has a classy look. But the only thing is, it is plastic from outside. It should have been made in metal. Here's a glossy finish. Here's a matte finish. And there you go, My Passport from WD Western Digital. Yeah, and this is a cable for connecting hard disk to your PC or Mac. Yeah, it's pretty good. You can see the hard, you can see the USB. So guys, as the name itself tells that, it is really in the size of a passport. You can just compare this with its guarantee card. See guys how small it is. See how small. You can really carry this anywhere in your, keep this in your pocket, bag, laptop bags, anywhere. It is so easy, so sturdy, and this is compatible. This is so easy. Like, this is a hard drive of 1 TB. Imagine in this size. Really true. This is so good. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Here we have done the unboxing of Western Digital My Passport hard drive. So next video I'll show you how to reformat this. Stay tuned. Bye.